In this video, I'm going to show you how to write the words, also known as copy, for the portfolio page on your Squarespace website so that you can display what you have done and give people the confidence to work with you. The portfolio page is a place for you to show off all the amazing work you or your business has done. If you have data and examples from past clients, you'll want to make sure that it's here. The name portfolio is not set in stone. You want to make sure that it makes sense with your industry. Whatever you name it, you want it to be very clear that this is where visitors can view past examples of your work. This is the Show Me page. If you're a photographer, video editor, or web designer, you want to put examples of your work here. The portfolio page is a great way to see if the work that you have done is connected to their current needs. If your business works with other businesses, so you're a business-to-business company, then you want to show charts or graphs that reveal how much money you have made your clients. If you're a gym, then you want to include before and after photographs and testimonials of happy clients. Make sure that the work that you display is attracting your ideal clients. If you're a tattoo artist who hates doing tattoos of sailors and skulls, then don't display that work on your site. Here is a simple way that you can dress up your work to help give the visitor more context. Show a picture or a video of your work. Describe the project. What did the customer want? What was the process like? And did you meet their expectations? Explain the results. How did it improve your client's life? Use your customer's own words in a testimonial with a happy, smiling picture of them if available. And then make sure you give them a call to action. A quick note, you want to make sure that this isn't the only place that you're displaying testimonials or examples of your awesome work. In fact, anytime that you want your buyer to make a decision, it's a good idea to put some sort of social proof or evidence near that. If you want people to buy, then on your checkout page, maybe include a testimonial of somebody who bought your stuff and really loved it. This can help them confirm that they're making the right choice. Repeat this with as much content as you have. A huge portfolio page that shows incredible results makes working with you a no-brainer. And notice that you're not selling here. You are showing. Your results sell for you. Remember, this is the 7th part of course number 1 for planning your Squarespace website. You can check out the full list of courses linked up in the description box below. Also, if you have any questions about your portfolio page, what should you name it, what dependent on your business or whatever, then go ahead and leave me a comment below and I will answer it. All right, I'll see you on the next video.